Stop paying extra just to get your website leads into Liondesk. I'm going to show you how to ditch the extra costs and seamlessly connect your website form to your CRM. First, let's see what Liondesk already offers for free. Navigate to the integrations section. Within your Liondesk account, this is usually found in your settings tab. Look for pre-built integrations. Many website platforms have native connections here. Things like lead pages or WordPress plugins, ready to automatically feed your form submissions into Liondesk. Explore this area thoroughly. Are there any direct connections to your website platform that you can use? Okay, if nothing is built in, don't fret. Free or low-cost third-party integration tools are your best friend. Services like Zapier and similar platforms allow you to connect different web apps with simple if this then that logic. Create a news app. If you're using Zapier, select your website form as the trigger. This tells Zapier when a form is submitted. Next, choose Liondesk as your action. The action is what triggers. After you set the trigger, you will authorize Zapier to access your Liondesk account. Now, map the form fields from your website form to the corresponding fields within Liondesk. For example, your name field on your website form will get sent to the name field in Liondesk. Make sure you get every field. Test your connection. Submit a dummy form submission to see if the data successfully flows into Liondesk. If it all looks good, it's time to turn on your Zap or integration from now on. New leads from your website form will be automatically added to your Liondesk CRM. That means more efficient lead management and ultimately growth. #lead generation, #free integration.